What's up, everybody? I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs, and I have a very, very cool new build series that we are about to do here at WeldTec Designs. And we have partnered with somebody super amazing, and we have teamed up with the star of Growing Up Garage,
Kaidnes Johnson 91. I'm Kaidnes Johnson 91 from Growing Up Garage. And behind us, we have our beautiful RZR 170 and RZR Turbo S, the 2021. But let's talk about these things and our goals.
So I think because I'm bigger and I'm the dad, I get to go first.
Hey, why are you leaving me out?
We're not leaving you out, but I'm just gonna show my RZR first in this side-by-side build that we're gonna do.
Get it? Side by side.
Yeah, so guys, let's jump into this thing. This is awesome. RZR Turbo S Velocity. This thing is killer. So I'm gonna go into a lot more details on this. If you guys are in the market for a UTV, and hey, maybe you already have a UTV and you guys can tell us some of the things that you've done to it. I know when I look at this, the first thing that I'm not super stoked on is the cage and maybe some doors. You know, there's a lot of things when you get into this that you can do. And I'm excited to do this build process with you guys and show you guys some of the coolest new things. I'll tell you the one thing that I really like is having mirrors. If you guys have never done mirrors, like if you don't have mirrors or you realize like, man, I really want to see behind me. So these are the things that we're going to dive into in this build to show you what we like and what you can do to improve your RZR. And it doesn't even necessarily need to be a brand new one. It could be an older RZR, and these are just things that we like to do here because, you know, we can't just ever leave anything alone. We always gotta mess with stuff. So that's pretty much it. This is just the intro video, guys, to show you what we're gonna be doing. But let's go talk to Kaidnes again from Growing Up Garage and talk about his little car.
So this is my RZR 170 that we want to put a new cage on it. What else do we want to do?
So we're gonna need to run some racing seats because wait a second. What are we gonna do? Are we gonna take this out to the desert, or are we gonna go race this thing?
We're gonna go race this thing, so we need to put some new seats in it. Maybe make it so that the emergency brake is not so hard, so that I can push it down. And
we're gonna maybe need to do some different wheels, tires,
some different wheels,
and shocks on it. How about that?
Yeah, and we need to do a lot of suspension work to get. And I think that's it.
What about a bumper, maybe?
Yeah, a bumper. Maybe.
It'd be really cool if you and I both had matching cages. What about that? Would that be pretty cool?
Yeah, but we would have to take off the roof.
Yeah, we would do a different sheet metal roof on your cage, and we'll do a different sheet metal roof on mine, and then we would do a back bumper.
We want to do some new seat belts.
We do need to do new seat belts in both cars, right? You know, I really love all the PRP stuff, so maybe we're gonna have to hit up PRP and see if they'd want to get involved in this, and we could run PRP seats and seat belts in both cars. Who knows? That'd be pretty neat. When this RZR, you were talking about how you want to be able to race this RZR. So like, do you want to go race this RZR like the same place you race your go-karts, or what do you want to do?
No, Dad, that's not the type of track this car is made for.
What is it made for?
It's made to race in the desert.
Oh.
And my dream to race in the desert is the mini mint that I really want to race. We've been there a lot for my birthday. And I was like, oh, what if we get a RZR 170 and we could race this thing in the mini mint? That's one thing I've been looking forward to. That's one of my dreams.
That sounds like an awesome dream to me, guys. And if you guys want to watch this craziness take place, there's going to be a ton of videos because we're going to have to do a lot of work to this thing to get it ready to race the mini mint, because the mini mint's in like March, which is like, that's like 3 months away, Kaidnes.
2 months away.
That's like, this is like a SEMA build, like a road to SEMA in 90 days, except it's a road to, it's still Vegas too. We're still, man, these Vegas things always mess us up. There's so much work.
I'm excited to finally stay in a hotel again and maybe win on my birthday in this.
Yeah, because your birthday is in March too. So that would be a pretty amazing birthday, I think, if you were able to race the mini mint.
And maybe get in top 3 or something, like first, second, and third. But I want to, my goal is to try and get first in this thing, and then I want to try Yeah, I want to try and win my first race in this thing.
Hey, I think all of this sounds great, guys. If you guys think this sounds great, please make sure that you guys are subscribed to the channel. You're going to want to be subscribed to WeldTec Designs and to
Growing Up Garage. Definitely me, not really him, because he tried to left me out on the beginning of the video. But make sure you check out all of his other channels, Jeremy's World 10, WeldTec Designs, and is that it?
Yeah, that's it, I think. So, guys, we have a ton of stuff coming.
Did we notice about the RZR Velocis and Velocity?
Ooh, I didn't think about that. We got Velocis the van, and now we have Velocity. Maybe we're gonna have to come up with a cool name for this, guys.
Right.
So I just want to tell you guys, we have a ton of crazy builds that we are going to be doing in 2021. We want to make sure that you guys are all a part of it, and that's it. We really appreciate you guys watching it.
Maybe we guys can pick names for these things.
Yeah.
I was thinking Blue, the Raptor.
Oh, blue, yeah, that's a good one. So I think we're gonna wrap this up on a short video. Please comment below, tell us what you think of this, and
but you can't comment on my channel, or is it on your channel?
yeah, we're gonna comment on my channel. Can't comment on the kids' channels, crazy YouTube. So how do we end this video? End it for us, Kaidnes Johnson.
So make sure you subscribe to my channel and his. Give us a big like, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!